Good morning, students. I am Labdeep Singh and I will teach English literature. As all of you know, first term syllabus is over and today I am going to start with the second term syllabus. And let's start with the poem Abu Ben Adam. This poem is written by Leigh Hunt. Leigh Hunt was an English poet, writer and essayist. And in this poem, he has written about the true worship, how true worship is manifest through the acts of love and service that one shows toward one fellow man and fellow woman. Now, in this poem, he is talking about the Abu Ben Adam is the main character, and once he was sleeping in his room, an angel comes on first day in the moonlight, and he asks, what you are writing in that book of gold? One book of gold was with the angel. She said, okay, I am writing the names of those persons who love God, those who do good deeds toward their fellow men and women. And then she disappears. Next day again she comes, and when she comes next day, before that let me write some of the word meanings, glossary, then you will come to know. One word is tribe. Tribe means race. Next is thing, means you. One word is lu. Lu means behold. And one more word is blessed, means blessed. These are some of the words which are given in this poem. Now let me start with this poem. Now main theme of this poem is love for mankind and love of God. Love for mankind means if you love your fellow beings, God will also love you. And if you don't do these things, then you will be shunned. Shunned means you will be neglected by the God. Second theme is love of God. So true worship is helping the needy and poor persons. That is the main theme of this poem. Abu Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from the deep dream of the peace and saw with the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in the book of gold. Already I explained you, may his tribe increase. Here it means the people like Abu Ben Adam, those who are good people, helping others, their race should increase. These types of people should increase so that there should be more love and compassion in the world. So when that angel comes in the moonlight, she asks, she comes as lily blooms in. So the angel was writing something in the book of the gold. Now second, exceeding peace had made Ben hold, and to presence in the room he said, what writest you? The vision raised its head and with a look made of sweet accord. Now Abu Ben Adam, he became more courageous and he little brave. He asked that angel, what you are writing in this book? She said, I am writing the name of those who love their fellow beings. Then answered, and is mine one, said Abu, nay not so, replied the angel. About Abu spoke more low, but cheerfully still, and said, I pray thee, then write me as one that loves his fellow man. Now, but here he don't get disappointed, Abu Ben Adam, when he asked. She said that your name is not written in this book. But he requests angel, please write my name also. So that day she disappears from his room, and next day again she comes. Now what is the reaction? The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light. Awakening light means with a dazzling light, and showed the names whom love of God had blessed. And lo, Ben Holt's name led all the rest. Next day when she came, she showed that book to Abu Ben Adam that your name is in the top of this list. So that is the already theme I have explained. So this is all about poem Abu Ben Adam. Thanks.